Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will share to you my presentation about education in Indonesia and in Western. Education in Indonesia and Western has several differences, and I have 4 points. The first point, focus on early childhood. Education in Indonesia begin with the introducing reading, writing, arithmetic in early childhood. While in Western, early childhood education focus more on play and interaction and the exploring and the environment. And the second point, how to learn. In Western countries, education places more emphasis on direct practical learning in the field, which enables students to remember the material and is more effective than the other learning methods. And in Indonesia, there is still a distinction between science and social studies major, which means students can only choose one of two. But in America, students are free to choose subject they interest in. And the third point is school quality. Even though private schools or universities are more expensive in the United States, they are looked at by people who can afford it because private schools generally have better quality than state schools or universities. And in Indonesia, private universities are not really looked at. And the last point is the use of learning technique. In America, the use of learning practicing technique make it easier for students to remember the material and is more effective than other learning methods. And in Indonesia, students are scared to ask teacher for fear of being labeled stupid or slow in learning. In several aspects of education in Indonesia and in the Western, there are significant differences, but each country has its own way of the education and with the same goal, namely improving education and a higher quality generation of the nation. I think that's all my presentation about education in Indonesia and the Western. Keep up the spirit and see you again guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.